Hi, I'm Arkady Fridman with Motus Media. I'm at CES 2024 in Las Vegas. I'm here with Emily Wang. I'm Arkady Fridman with Motus Media, and I'm going to talk to her about this really cool drone that she has that I've never seen so small and so kind of innovative with AI. Take it away.
Hi everyone, I'm Emily, and this is We Are 00 Robotics, and this is the Hover Air X1. So we call it a self-flying camera. It's a small drone, and I'll walk you through some of the basics. It's super small. It's 125 grams, and this is how big it is folded, and it opens up like this. So it's fully enclosed propellers, which means that you can fly it out of your hand. You can fly it around people. We're flying it at CES, and it's not a problem at all.
Can you talk about some of the features for the camera?
Sure. So the camera itself shoots in 2.7K at 30 frames per second. If you want HDR or 60 FPS, it goes down to 1080p.
How long can it fly?
It flies for 11 minutes, which I'll describe the flight modes in a second. What's great about the 11 minutes is it's 11 minutes of pure footage because everything is automated, and it works out to 10 or 20 flights because most of the flight modes are pretty short. They're about 30 seconds to a minute.
Awesome.
Now, what's really special about the device is that everything is controlled on device. You can fly it completely without a controller or an app. So it has two buttons here. We can turn it on. And then we have a number of different flight modes here, which you can change using this button on the top. So we have a hover mode, we have zoom out, we have follow. We follow both from the back and from the front, which is really great if you're a vlogger or something. There's orbit mode, there is bird's eye, and then we have a bunch of really cool custom ones, including snapshot. We're beta testing gesture control right now, so a lot of really fun things.
How high can it fly?
It can fly 50 feet or 15 meters, so that's high. It's higher than this building, but the drone is really designed to capture you and your loved ones in the moment. So what's really fun is it can take off from your hand really quickly, and we really want to help people capture their moments in their life very easily, especially on the go. Follow mode follows up to 15, even 18 miles an hour, so it's great for biking, running, hiking, a lot of outdoor activities, a lot of skateboarding. And maybe I can walk you through kind of the basic mechanics of how to fly it.
That'd be great.
Really fun. So the camera needs to see you because it's always focused on your face, and then you just press the takeoff button. So I'll do a simple follow mode here, even though we're in close quarters. I press the takeoff button, and then it will take off. And now it is following me. So you can see that it's panning left and right. It will follow me. And it is actually following my body. And
How does it know to follow you versus me?
It saw my face when I started, and then it tracks my entire body. And so it actually follows really well in a crowd. I liken it to a person, to be honest, which we also track visually, right? Like if I'm in a crowd full of people who are wearing black shirts and black pants, all wearing helmets, that's very confusing for me to follow you. But especially if you're in like a group with your family and everyone's dressed distinctly, it actually performs really well in crowds.
How does it do in different environments like fog, rain, night?
Yeah, so because it relies on visual sensors, it's going to perform the best in well-lit environments. It has really great wind resistance up to level 4, so that is the beach. It's not super, super gusty at the beach, but I regularly use it at the beach in Australia. Yeah, it's not rainproof, as most of our electronic devices are not, so would not recommend that people fly it in the rain.
And how easy is it to transfer photos from the device to a phone?
Very. So everything is local. We take our people's privacy very seriously. So everything is stored on device on a 32 gig SD card. You can transfer it directly to your computer using a USB-C, or we have a corresponding app which allows you to tweak more of the parameters, fly manually, or download directly to your phone. So nothing goes through the cloud. I think another feature I didn't mention, which is really great and fun, is we have audio recording, which is really unique on a drone. So through the app, you can record your voice while you're being recorded. So it's especially good in something like dolly track, where it's following you from the front and you're talking. We cut out the propeller noise. The algorithm is really impressive, and then we sync the video and the audio together so you can get a seamless, like it's your personal videographer in this case.
Is there any way to connect any kind of external
Yep.
mic
So you can
to
add
it?
an external Bluetooth mic or a wired mic, whatever you want, if that's what you need for sound quality. There's
That's
some
great.
really
So you can
great
use this for
demos.
interviews as well from a different perspective.
Yeah, absolutely. You could totally do that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And how do people get in touch with you or purchase the product?
Yeah, so you can find us on thehover.com, or you can follow us on social media. We're Hover Air Global on Instagram. We're also available on Amazon, and we have a CES discount for anybody who's watching this before CES is over.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Emily.
Yeah, thank you.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like to see other videos from my videos at CES, please click over here, over here, over here, or over here, or subscribe to see others. Thanks.